I am Ehsan Abedini, the representative of Rashan Saz Bana company. This company has launched two startups named Ir.Aqua and Smogchill, which are active in the field of water production from air, humidity and steam, and purification of factory and power plant smoke, air and carbon removal. Introduction of Ir.Aqua startup. Product: Ir.Aqua device. Function: producing drinking and agricultural water from air, humidity and steam. Production capacity: 100 cubic meters of water in 24 hours. Benefits: access to drinking water, providing safe and secure drinking water even in water-scarce areas. Increased agricultural efficiency, helping farmers increase crop production during droughts. Sustainable industry, providing a sustainable solution for industrial water needs. Environment, protecting the environment by not producing pollutants. Introduction of Smogchill startup. Product: Smogchill device. Function: producing industrial gel and purifying smoke emitted from factories and power plants burning fuel oil, and purifying air. Production capacity: 100 cubic meters of industrial gel in 24 hours. Benefits: a source-based filtration of exhaust smoke, filters 90% of the smoke emitted from factories and power plants. Production of industrial gel and carbon removal, prevents up to 90% of carbon from entering the atmosphere from the source of smoke. And produces a valuable industrial gel product. Sustainable industry, providing a sustainable solution for industrial air purification and carbon removal needs. Environment, protecting the environment by not producing pollutants and reducing existing pollutants.